Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious sweet bell pepper pasta that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have garlic powder, onion powder, chicken bouillon, black pepper, table salt, butter with salt, bell peppers, yellow, red, orange, and green, a red onion, pasta, parmesan cheese, and water. This is everything we need to make this delicious sweet bell pepper pasta. So let's get started. I want to start first with the pasta, and I have the bowl pasta. Of course, you could use the kind that you have at home. I'm using the bowl pasta, and I want to show it to you. On the stove, I have already getting nice and hot water. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, and now I am ready to add the whole box of the pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and just let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until the water starts boiling and the pasta is al dente. You don't want to overcook your pasta. Just make sure that you just let it cook just enough until the pasta is al dente. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and check it. And you know something? This is ready. I'm going to go ahead and take the excessive water off. But I'm not going to rinse the pasta. Let's put it aside. I have my veggies here. I have my half an onion. And let's start taking this to the sink and rinsing them very good. You know, this is the part that is very important. It takes a little time, but this is very important. Rinsing all your veggies. Once everything is nice and rinsed, then I am ready to start chopping them. And I want to go ahead and just go ahead and cut the seeds. Cut it through the middle and get all the seeds out and the vein. These peppers are not hot at all, but they will release such a delicious flavor. I like to cut it in pieces almost the same size of the pasta. Look, let me show you. I like to cut it in strips and then cut it through the middle so that they are almost the same size of the pasta, the bowls. Look at this. Well, here I'm going to continue cutting and slicing and getting all the seeds out of my peppers. And that really is what takes a little longer time. I am completely done. I'm just pulling apart my onion, and I'm going to transfer everything here to the plate. You want to make sure that you have everything ready. Okay, let's go to the stove. I have a pan nice and hot, and I'm going to go ahead and add my butter. Once the butter has dissolved, I'm going to add all the bell peppers. We want to just cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes, no more than that, so that you see all those beautiful colors. I'm going to add my spices. I have the garlic, the onion powder, the black pepper, and the chicken bouillon. Remember that the chicken bouillon is to taste. I'm going to go ahead and just mix and incorporate everything together. And like I said, just let it cook for just a couple minutes. Look at this. Look how those beautiful colors. Spring colors, of course. And now that it's been cooking, now I am ready to start adding the pasta. Once you add the pasta, don't cook the pasta for too long. We're going to go ahead and start add the pasta a little bit at a time so I don't make a mess, because I am So good of making messes. But here I'm going to go ahead and just add the pasta. Incorporate the pasta completely with all the bell peppers. And once everything is nice and incorporated, I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese. And I'm just going to add just a little bit. But let me show you how you could see all those bell peppers. And it smells delicious and amazing. I'm going to go ahead at this time, just mix it one more time, and then add all the delicious Parmesan cheese on the top. When I add the Parmesan cheese, I just try to add a little bit because I love to add the Parmesan cheese on my plate. Look at this. It's already, you could really smell all those peppers. And I'm going to add just a little bit of the Parmesan cheese right on the top because it really gives it a delicious flavor. Remember that the chicken bouillon is to taste. Let me show you how this looks. I'm going to go ahead and just incorporate the Parmesan cheese. Have it incorporated completely. And once this is done, I am ready to prepare my plate. My mouth is already watering. This smells delicious and I really can't wait. You know something? I'm adding here on my plate. I'm going to be very generous and add a lot of pasta. And of course, add enough Parmesan cheese right on the top. I really love this pasta, and here at home my kids really enjoy it. Like I said, it's not spicy at all. I'm gonna go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese right on the top. And you know something, I can't wait to taste, so I'll see you in a little bit. I'm ready for the presentation. Completely done with this sweet bell pepper pasta. I added some Parmesan cheese right on the top, and of course I had to add a serrano chili. You know I love spicy food. But let's see how this came out, because this looks amazing. The colors look amazing. Excuse me. You know something? Once you try it, I know you're gonna continue having this delicious sweet pepper pasta. This came out delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying the sweet pepper pasta. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.